Today, you will learn how to change default margins in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Layout tab. Look for the Margins button. It is usually located on the left side in the Page Setup section. Click on Margins, and you will see several predefined margin options, such as Normal, Narrow, Moderate, and Wide. These are ready-made margin settings that Microsoft Word provides. If you only want to temporarily change the margins for the current document, you can simply click one of these preset options, and Word will instantly apply it to your document. But if you want to create your own custom margins and make them the default for every future document, then continue watching carefully. In the Margins drop-down menu, click on Custom Margins at the bottom. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. Inside this window, make sure the Margins tab is selected at the top. Now you will see four important boxes called Top, Bottom, Left, and Right. These control the empty space around your document pages. For example, if you want smaller margins to fit more text on the page, you can reduce the numbers. If you want more white space around the text, you can increase the values. Simply click inside each box and type the margin size you want. For example, you could set the top margin to 1 inch, bottom to 1 inch, left to 0.5 inches, and right to 0.5 inches. You can use any values you prefer depending on your document needs. Once you enter your preferred margin values, do not click OK yet if you want these settings to become permanent for all future documents. Instead, look at the bottom of the Page Setup window and click the button called Set as Default. Word will now ask for confirmation to make these settings the default for all new documents based on the normal template. Click Yes to confirm. As soon as you do that, the Page Setup window will close automatically, and your new default margins will be saved. Now, every time you create a new Word document, Word will automatically use your custom margin settings instead of the old default ones. This saves time because you won't need to manually change margins again and again. You can also use the same Custom Margins window if you only want to apply different margins to the current document without changing the default settings. In that case, after entering the values, simply click OK instead of Set as Default. Another useful thing to know is that changing margins can affect how your document prints. Smaller margins allow more text on each page, while larger margins create more spacing and can make documents easier to read. So choosing the right margin size depends on the type of document you're creating. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.